Hi guys, I'm Futureproof Jake, and today we're going to be looking at the Google Nest battery-powered doorbell. I'm going to be unboxing it and then installing it and showing you how it works. So it comes with some cellophane. Cut that open. There it is. Get rid of that. And there is your Nest doorbell. Quite weighty, heavier than I thought it was going to be. But you get that in the box. Take the top off, you get your instructions, USB Type-C cable to charge it, fixed plugs to the wall, and the release key. And that's everything in your box, ready to install. So the tools you're going to need to install your Nest battery cam are a masonry drill with a 6mm bit, a hammer for the raw plugs, a pencil or a marker to mark your holes, and a Phillips screwdriver. First of all, you need to install the Google Home app onto your smart device. Once in the app, press the plus icon in the top left corner and then set up device. The new device is being set up at the home location. Once Google does its searches, it will ask you what type of device you're setting up. We are obviously setting up a doorbell. Make sure you choose the correct doorbell, as this one is battery powered. The QR scanner will pop up. There should be a QR code on the back of your doorbell. Give that a cheeky scan, and now we're cooking with gas. From there, follow the instructions within the app to complete the setup. Now we need to fit the doorbell. Decide where on your wall you want to put it, then get the back plate and mark the holes. You can measure it and make sure it actually looks good, or just follow my approach and slap it on there. Grab your drill and make holes where you've made the marks. And then hammer in the raw plugs. You're then going to screw the back plate to the wall. The back plate angles the doorbell to look towards your door, so make sure you've got it pointed in the right direction depending on whether you're installing it on the left or the right hand side of your door. The face plate then screws on top of that. You're then ready to clip the doorbell onto the plate. Give it a wiggle to make sure it's on there good and proper, and then to remove it for charging purposes, it comes with a key that you press into a slot at the top. And that's it. Thank you to everyone for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. My review of the Google Nest battery-powered doorbell cam will be following shortly, but if you want to see more Google products, check out my review on the Google Chromecast with Google TV, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.